Welcome to Chapter 5 BeetleBit with HuskyLens 2 Face Emotion Recognition. In this chapter, we will learn how to use HuskyLens 2 to detect different human face emotions and make the BeetleBit react with movement, lights, and sounds. By the end of this video, you will be able to control the BeetleBit using 7 built-in face emotions detected by HuskyLens 2. First, power on the HuskyLens 2. Then, on the touchscreen menu, select Face Emotion Recognition mode. HuskyLens 2 can detect face emotions automatically. There is no need to train or teach it. Simply show your face or even an image displaying different emotions in front of the camera. Now, connect your BeetleBit to your laptop using the USB power and data cable, and turn it on. Next, click the MakeCode link provided in the tutorial page. This will open the project in MakeCode. Click Download to upload the code to the BeetleBit. Once the download is complete, the program will run automatically. Now, it's time to test the face emotion recognition. Stand in front of the HuskyLens 2 and show different facial expressions. You can also test using printed pictures or images on a screen. Observe how the BeetleBit responds with different movements, lights, or sounds for each detected emotion. When HuskyLens detects an angry emotion, the BeetleBit lights turn red and the robot moves backward while playing a giggle sound. When sad emotion appears, the lights will off and plays a sad sound. When a disgust emotion is detected, the lights turn orange and the gripper open and close. For a fear emotion, BeetleBit take a U-turn, then moves forward with orange lights. For neutral emotion, BeetleBit lights turn blue and a greeting sound plays. When surprised emotion is detected, BeetleBit shows pink lights, moves forward, and plays a twinkle sound. When a happy emotion is detected, the robot U-turn, moves forward, blinks green lights, and plays a cheerful sound. If no emotion is detected, BeetleBit shows a cross icon and waits. You've successfully controlled the BeetleBit using 7 face emotions. Now explore and personalize the robot's responses to make it even more expressive. For step-by-step instructions and downloadable code, visit the full tutorial at citron.io.